10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year.
Medical research has reported that our body's ability to repair itself is quite quotidian. Our bodies grow new bone, skin, blood, heart, and lung cells daily. Sadly, there are some people who inhibit this process by smoking, resulting in adverse health. There are many ailments that are linked to the inveterate and habitual practice of smoking. An article entitled "Why Quit Smoking" by the Palo Alto Medical Foundation references one ailment I will highlight. This article reveals smoking immediately paralyzes lung cilia. Cilia are the small hairs in the lungs and bronchial tubes that exchange gases between the lungs and body. Continued smoking permanently kills cilia, and as a result, the body will absorb less oxygen, retain more toxins, and infection-causing bacteria. Such results make a smoker more susceptible to diseases that could consequently springboard to death. Yet astonishingly, if a smoker quits smoking within 1 to 9 months of cessation, cilia rebirths itself. As more cilia regenerates, the former smoker will develop a cough. And this cough indicates that the lungs are cleaning themselves. You and I may not smoke cigarettes or that California chronic, but that does not suggest we're not smokers. Yes, you and I are smokers. If we're transparent with ourselves, take off the blinders, and critically analyze the image that appears before the mirror, we'll see an individual who is not perfect. There is always room for improvement. There is some area in our life where we're smoking. I don't know what it is. I can only highlight what I'm smoking on, what I need to improve upon. You highlight what you're smoking on, what you need to improve upon. And once we do that, cilia will regenerate, allowing us to breathe more life into our lives. We should strive for improvement daily, every day, every month, and every year. This year will be no different. Our New Year's resolution for 2013 should relate to what we're smoking on. Whatever it is, a person, place, or thing, smoking it is not worth stagnating or success for the new year. With love, I declare success for you this year that no situation you face within the following days and months can dismantle. Our resolution for 2013 is to clean out our lungs and advance to the next scene of success. So if we need to cough up that person, cough. If we need to cough up that place, cough. If we need to cough up that thing, cough. Keep coughing until your lungs are clean in 2013. Happy New Year to you. Be blessed, beautiful people, and don't forget, cough.